Well, the complex symbol you see here for the Texas columbine, let me zoom in on it, and notice it has a large number of filled circles. Let me just select that block and edit it, and I'll just zoom in and pick any one of these circles that has been filled. Notice that the transparency is set to 250, as is this one. We've mentioned a number of times that if you use transparency and set it at a value less than no transparency, which is 255, and I'll reset that one to 255. Have a look at this one, which is also set at 250. Any symbol where transparency has been used and won't print easily using high quality PDF printers. CutePDF, the one we favour, is taking more than an hour to print this particular drawing. So what I'm going to do to fix it is just select all of those symbols there and change their transparency and set it back to 255, or in other words, no transparency. Then we'll close the block editor and we'll go to, say, the front garden layout, and we'll just go File and Print. So it's a complex layout. I can change my PDF writer to landscape, and I'll jump in here to Properties and to Advanced, and I'll change, this is an architectural C size sheet, and we'll OK it, and OK again, OK, and it's now printing. Now this print was taking over an hour to print, and I'm hoping now to get a printout in double quick time, and there we are, we're ready to go. So we'll call this front garden. I'll overwrite the one that's there, and I'll find the file in a moment and just show you. That's a very small change indeed, but a very big change in printing time. Well, here is the drawing in Acrobat Reader, and I'll just take a marquee zoom and we'll just jump in here. So I think you can see we've got very high resolution, and it happened very quickly. So that's a very, very subtle problem that you might run across in gCADPlus. Easily fixed, but very hard to find.